Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a static video looks fascinating by adding a fake camera movement by using a CapCut mobile. So in here, I have this video that I want to add the fake camera movement to it. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow this step. So first, you can zoom in the clip like this and then add a keyframe at the start. Now go to the end of the clip and drag the clip like this. Okay, and after that it will add a fake camera movement like this. The video will slightly moved. Okay, so that's some tips from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.